everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about a term that has become increasingly familiar in recent times, artificial intelligence. Get ready, we're going on a journey into the history of artificial intelligence and how it affects our daily lives. First, let's take a look at the term artificial intelligence. Fundamentally, artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to a machine's ability to perform cognitive activities that are typically associated with humans. Today, we use AI in various fields, and its capabilities continue to expand with each passing day. We learned what artificial intelligence means, and now it's time to learn the historical background of that. Of course, AI did not emerge out of thin air. It was the product of years of work. And all those works related to AI were pioneered by Alan Turing, a British mathematician and computer scientist. In 1936, Turing published a paper in which he proved that any form of mathematical computation could be performed by a virtual machine. The machine he referred to became known as the Turing machine. During World War II, while attempting to decrypt the ciphers of Nazi's secret Enigma machine, Turing designed an electromechanical device that would help his cause, known as the bomb. This machine made significant contributions to the efforts, and the British codebreakers led by Turing successfully decrypted the Enigma ciphers, altering the course of the war. Continuing his work after the war, Turing published his famous paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, in 1950, in which he introduced the concept of the Turing test. The purpose of the Turing test is to distinguish between a machine and a human. In this test, an interrogator tries to determine which answer comes from a human and which from a machine, based on the responses to the questions posed. If the machine can convince the interrogator that it is a human, it passes the test. Turing's pioneering work highlighted the potential of both machines to mimic humans and the field of artificial intelligence. Turing's works are still being used in that discipline, and he is widely regarded as the father of AI and computer science. Following Turing, research on AI continued unabated. In 1956, a group of scientists convened to discuss AI, marking the Dartmouth Conference. It was during this conference that John McCarthy first used the term artificial intelligence. Subsequently, research in the field of AI gained momentum, and many AI programs were developed. One of the most notable ones was ELIZA, developed at MIT in 1966. In those years, artificial intelligence began to make its way into popular culture. Robot 1, the first human-like intelligent robot, was developed in Japan in 1972. Equipped with the ability to walk and change direction, the robot attracted attention with its human resemblance. During these years of advancing AI research, governments began to withdraw their financial support from AI research. As researchers were unable to secure the necessary funding, they struggled to continue their work. This period was referred to as the first AI winter. Following the period of stagnation from 1974 to 1980, the American Association for Artificial Intelligence organized its first national conference, reigniting the momentum of AI research. In subsequent years, we can see that many movies and TV shows incorporated fictional and fantastical elements related to artificial intelligence. However, there was a lack of significant progress for about 6 years following these developments. This period is known as the second AI winter. Now let's move to 1997, when a breakthrough occurred, demonstrating the potential of AI and its ability to assume significant roles in the future. IBM's computer Deep Blue defeated Garry Kasparov in a chess game, who was considered the world's best player at the time. The event was viewed as a milestone showcasing AI's potential in cognitive tasks. By 2006, major companies like Facebook and Twitter began using the burgeoning field of AI. In 2011, Apple introduced Siri, the first widely used virtual assistant. Siri could answer questions, provide advice, and perform requested tasks. The launch of Siri made a significant impact, attracting considerable attention. Following Siri, many other applications that functioned as virtual assistants were developed. In 2014, Google produced the first self-driving car that could pass the state driving test. In the same year, another significant milestone was reached when a robot successfully passed the Turing test. 2 years later, we saw the creation of Sophia, the first robot with a human-like appearance that could communicate with people and could mimic. She was even granted citizenship in Saudi Arabia. These back-to-back events led a portion of society to become increasingly apprehensive about the progress of artificial intelligence. Even the existing concerns about AI's advancement were further amplified as AI gained new functionalities. Those developments were mostly seen as exciting breakthroughs. In 2020, OpenAI created GPT-3, a model capable of translating between various languages and generating spontaneous texts. During this period, self-driving cars, AI-supported drones, and various other aerial vehicles were developed. With the skyrocketing release of AI tools following OpenAI's GPT-4, the future of artificial intelligence looks bright. But since new technologies and advancements are happening each day, the limits that AI applications and systems are hard to guess. No matter what you think, it is an undeniable fact that artificial intelligence will continue to appear in different forms and technologies and will be mentioned frequently in the coming years. And this is the end of our video about the history of AI. If you enjoyed our video and want to hear from us again, please consider subscribing. And as always, it was Hevsel Times.